Hey everyone, welcome to yet another episode of SaaS Spotlight's Quick Reviews. And in today's episode, I'm glad to review Amurex, which is an app I found on Product Hunt. So, Amurex calls themselves an invisible companion for life and work. So, what they're essentially meaning is Amurex is going to help you remember what matters the most. It could be knowledge across the internet, it could help you prioritize tasks, and it's also going to be a part of your workflow, the most important workflow, without really disrupting any of it, right? So that's their promise. At the moment, it can do three. It has three different standout features. You will be able to connect different apps across the internet, especially note-taking apps, and feed that knowledge to Amurex so that you're able to interact with Amurex for any questions instead of going to those apps and recollecting any of that information. The second feature is it also helps you transcribe meetings and also comes up with action items similar to something like Fathom. And thirdly, it also helps you prioritize your inbox by tagging the most important emails that you need to pay attention to. The best part is all of these are brought into Amurex, which means you're not going to log into any of these platforms to make these decisions or know any of this information. So let's see what the app looks like. So I logged into Amurex just a while ago, and as a part of the onboarding, you'll have to integrate one of these apps based on where you have your information stored. I have some content stored in Google Docs, Obsidian, and also Notion, and you can first integrate them. You can also choose which Notion page you want to integrate with. Probably you're not comfortable exposing everything, right? So you can actually be very specific. Similarly, when it comes to Obsidian, you can actually import the particular page that you want Amurex to have access to. It's very flexible that way. And once you're done integrating, Amurex is going to auto suggest a few questions based on the content present in these platforms. Or you can also type your own question. Let's say I want to ask, tell me something about AWS Lambda. Now, it's going to immediately generate the response and help me learn that concept better. And it also tells me how much time it took and what are the sources it referred to, right? So it's pretty straightforward, and this is useful when, let's say, you're learning something, but you have the habit of exploring new note-taking apps every now and then, and you want a better companion to collate it all and learn better, right? So in that case, Amurex is going to stand out. The next job Amurex does really well is you can also integrate your email inbox. And once you integrate your email inbox, you'll be able to have a preview of your inbox right here based on the tags that are present. So, for example, you might want to focus on the ones that need a response from you versus something that's promotional, right? So you can also choose the right tags based on what's important to you, and it's going to help you prioritize and sort it better. And the third aspect is meetings. I have not tried meetings, but from what I know, it's going to transcribe meetings automatically. So you just have to get this Chrome extension, and let's say you're on Google Meet with someone, you're discussing something important, and you want to remember the content of the meeting, have some takeaways and action items. You don't really have to grab a pen and paper and remember them all. So you can just use the Chrome extension, record it, so that Amurex is going to auto transcribe the meeting and also help you come up with action items. It's going to be similar to something like Fathom, which is a common app that's used by many SaaS sales and customer success teams. So that's what Amurex is going to help you do. For now, these are the features that they offer, but I feel it's definitely a powerful addition to our overall workflow. And if they expand to, let's say, more applications and more use cases in the future, it's going to be a powerful combination. So you don't really have to log into any of these applications. You just log into your Amurex and get all the information you want and make decisions faster and learn better, right? So I think this is definitely a valuable ad that you can try and probably experiment with and see how it works for you. And when it comes to pricing, it's absolutely free for now. You can just start using it and see how it works. And it's also open source at the same time. And if you have further questions or feedback, you can always reach out to them and tell you how you like the app, what all you want to see. Overall, I absolutely like this app. I'm going to give this a try, like consistently use in my day-to-day workflows and see how that's benefiting me. The only challenge I recognized as a part of integrating Amurex's Gmail is it said the app is still not verified by Google, so it wasn't safety for me to proceed with the integration. I think maybe that's work in progress and they will rectify it. But apart from that, I found this app to be very useful and believe this is something you should absolutely give a shot. So that's it from me as a part of this review. Let me know if you have any other apps that you want me to take a look at. I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.